Welcome back, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed the last session on how to build a simple web page with HTML and CSS. So in this session, we're going to be looking at entities, how to use entity codes and numbers. We're going to be looking at symbols and also how to embed emoji in your web page. All right, so let's just dive in. Okay, here we are again. So first thing first, create okay, just come out of this. Create a folder and name it entity. Okay. Now in this entity, we're gonna create a file called entity, and we're gonna be using this same file for the symbols and the emoji. So entity.html. So the next thing is to get our boilerplate, right? Okay. So I'm going to change this title to entity symbol and emoji. All right. So the next thing to do right now is to run your go live. Click on this, and now we can start working or talking about emoji, entities, and symbols. So what are entities? Entities are characters that you don't have on your keyboard. So for you to use those characters, they are code you must be aware of. So now to get, for example, let's say we want to use this less than sign. Most of the time when you're using this less than sign, it conflicts with the tags, because whenever we try getting a tag, we always make use of the less than sign and the greater than sign. So it is advisable or conventional to use the entity characters. So what you need to do to use the less than sign in for the entity is just get the ampersand. This is the ampersand. Then you get the just type in LT, then semicolon. So automatically this gives you less than sign, right? So when you try for the greater sign as well, get your ampersand GT, then semicolon. You have this as well. So these are entities, okay? And also, normally we have the dollar sign, right? Also, what if you want to get euro? We have the dollar sign, right? So now what if you want to get euro? You can just say amper, and EURO gives you euro. So this is euro. What if you want to get cent? You say amper, I say cent. Okay, and let's look at cent. So this is cent. So what if you want to get copyright? All those symbols you don't have on your keyboard. Okay, so all you just need to do is just write copy, and you have this guy here. As you can see, what if you want to get something else apart from copy? I think there are other ones we can explore. Is copy SR. Let's see what that does. Okay, see copy SR. I don't know what this is though. So what else can we try out? Let's see. I think there's one more. Copy this last one. Let's see what happens. Okay, it's the same with this, just that this is in capital letter while this is in small letter, so they are both the same. So let's look at something else. Um, let's look at, okay, let me check my notes. So what if you want to get this ampersand? This ampersand we have here. What if you want to get this ampersand? So all you just need to do is add the ampersand and just do this. So it gives you that same thing. But since you have this on your keyboard already, you don't need that. But in case if you don't have, because we have different types of keyboards, so just in case you don't have, just make sure you do the amper. And oh, if you don't have it, well, you find your way around it. So okay, now let's look at quotes. Let's look at quotes. So if you want to get quotes, all you need to do is just get your ampersand and use QUOT. Yeah, you can see quotes, right? And when you have quotes, you get quotes. Okay, there are a lot of these guys. All you just need to do is explore them yourself. And there is acute, there is abreve, there is like a lot of them that I don't know about. Let's see this guy. What does this guy do? Okay, so we have a lot of all these things. So for you to get a list of everything here, all you need to just do is get the ampersand, then hold down your control key, then click on the largest key on your keyboard, which is the space key, right? So hold down your control key and just click on the space key. What do you have? You have a list. So you can go through this list and just try different types out, and that's that. So what else can we check out? We've seen, okay, let's look at reg. Okay, this is reg, as you can see. What if you want to try out trademark? So all you need to do is just have this and just type in trade. Okay, then you have trademark. Can you see? So these are symbols you normally don't have on your keyboard. So for you to use them, you need to know how to use your ampersand. Once you have your ampersand, hold down your control key. If you know their names, you can just type in their names after the ampersand, and always make sure you have this semicolon after the name. Okay, but if you just want to explore, learn more about the different types we have, just hold down your control key and click on the largest key on your keyboard, which is your space key. So hold down your control key and just click on this. So it brings it up, and you just explore. Let's look at ace. Okay, so there are a lot of them, a lot of them, a lot of them. So now I think we should just move on to emojis now, since we have spoken about entities and symbols. So entities and symbols are kind of the same. So there's one more. Let's see how we can get pounds. Okay, so and I have pounds. All right, can you see pounds? I think it's pound, not pounds. Okay, so yeah, you can see pound, right? So a lot of things. Do we have naira? Let's see if we have naira. Let's see if we have naira. Naira, naira. No, I don't think we do. NG. See, I don't know what this is. Okay, that's done. Oh, kind of strange. So this is just you trying to get these things. So now let's look at emojis this time around. So how do you use emoji? They are code you need to to utilize to get emoji. So how do we use this emoji? Honestly, I don't know those code offered because they are numbers. So what we need to do is just go to your browser and search for emoji in HTML. So emoji in HTML, not this. So I think we should look for this science.co.il. So you have a list of them. So all you need to just do is come here, copy this, okay, then go back to your browser and just drop it there. So when you drop this and you look at your browser, what do you have? You have your emoji, okay, and go and grab the next one. All right, and let's look at this. Just drop it there. So you get your results. All right, so this is a list of it. And also I don't know if this works. Let's try this out. So let's see. I doubt if it's gonna work. No, it doesn't work. So so this is how you get your emoji. Okay, if you want to embed emoji in your in your HTML files. And as you can see, there are a lot of them, a lot. And there are other sites you can also check, like a full list from Emoji version 3.0 and all. So all you need to just do is go there and okay, just look for the choice you're looking for, or just pick your choice. Okay, let's try one more. Let's get this baby guy. Okay, and let's just drop it there. So what do we have? So that's that on entities, symbols, and emoji. All right, guys, thank you very much. If you enjoyed this session, just click on the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to get more content from me. All right, let's up.